Unlock a wider customer base by accepting American Express on your Shopify store. This tutorial will guide you through setting up and seamlessly processing American Express payments on your Shopify platform. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify Admin panel. Navigate to the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Within the Settings menu, select Payments. This is where you'll manage all your payment gateways. Shopify Payments is the default and often the easiest way to start if you're using Shopify Payments. American Express is usually enabled by default. Check to see if Amex is listed as an accepted card type. If you're not using Shopify Payments or want to add another provider that supports Amex, like Stripe or PayPal, click on Add Payment Providers. Browse through the available payment gateways and choose one that explicitly supports American Express. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect or activate your chosen provider. Once your payment gateway is active and configured, American Express will be a readily available option for your customers at checkout. When a customer uses their Amex card, the transaction will be processed through your selected payment gateway. You'll see the funds appear in your connected bank account according to your provider's payout schedule. To monitor your transactions, go to the Orders section in your Shopify Admin. Each order will show the payment method used and its status. Having trouble with Amex payments? Common issues include incorrect card details entered by the customer or issues with your payment gateway's configuration. Double-check your payment provider settings and ensure your account is in good standing. If problems persist, reach out to your payment gateway provider support or Shopify's customer service for assistance. Accepting Amex is a fantastic way to boost your sales.